Hello children. Children, today we are going to start with a new lesson of English 2. So take out your English reader books. Take out page number 53. We are going to start with lesson number 7, that is the tale of Peter Rabbit. Children, tale means the story. And we are going to read the story about Peter Rabbit. There's a rabbit whose name is Peter. Now let's start reading with the story. Once upon a time, there were 4 little rabbits. Their names were Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail and Peter. Now, once upon a time, how many rabbits were there? There were 4 rabbits. And what were their names? Flopsy, Mopsy, Cottontail and Peter. They lived with their mother in a sandbank underneath the root of a very big fir tree. Now, where did these rabbits live? These rabbits lived with their mother in a sandbank. Sandbank is a small hill which is made of sand. And they used to live with their mother in a sandbank under the root of a fir tree. There is a tree which is called the fir tree, and they used to live under the root of that fir tree along with their mother. Now, my dears, said old Mrs. Rabbit one morning, you may go into the fields or go down the lane, but don't go into Mr. McGregor's garden. Then one morning, their mother told all these 4 rabbits that you can go into the fields, you can go down the lane also, but never go into the Mr. McGregor's garden. Now run along and don't get into mischief. I am going out. Then their mother told her children, all the 4 rabbits, that now you run along means you go from here and run anywhere you feel like, but don't go into Mr. McGregor's garden, and don't get into mischief means don't be naughty. And then after telling all these things, she told that I am going out. Then old Mrs. Rabbit took a basket and her umbrella and went through the wood to the baker's shop. Now after telling this thing to her children, Mrs. Rabbit took a basket and her umbrella and then she went through the wood. Wood means a forest. She went through the forest to the baker's shop. She went to the bakery shop through the forest. Flopsy, Mopsy and Cottontail, who were good little bunnies, went down the lane to gather blackberries. Then out of the 4 little rabbits, 3 rabbits, that is Flopsy, Mopsy and Cottontail, they were very good little bunnies. Bunnies means small children, like for small rabbits or for small children of this rabbit, we call them bunnies. Now these 3, Flopsy, Mopsy and Cottontail, all these 3 rabbits were very obedient to their mother. So they did whatever their mother told them. So they went down the lane to gather blackberries. Gather means to collect. They went down the lane as their mother told them that you can go into the fields or you can go down the lane, but don't go into Mr. McGregor's garden. So whatever their mother told them, all these 3 rabbits, that is Flopsy, Mopsy and Cottontail, did the same. They went down the lane to collect the blackberries. As they were very obedient to their mother, so they are called good little bunnies. However, Peter, who was very naughty, ran straight away to Mr. McGregor's garden and squeezed under the gate. Now, this Peter, the 4th rabbit, this rabbit was very naughty. He went against the orders of his mother. He didn't obey his mother. Then, what did Peter do? He straight away ran into Mr. McGregor's garden and squeezed under the gate. Squeeze means to move through a small space. Like under the gate, small space is there, children. So that rabbit went inside the garden of Mr. McGregor by squeezing himself under the gate. Like he moved into the garden through that small space which is under the gate. First he ate some lettuce and some beans. When he entered the garden, what did he eat? He ate some lettuce and some beans. Children, lettuce is green leaves which are eaten as salad. Then he ate some radishes. After that he ate some radishes. Then feeling rather sick, he went to look for some parsley. Now after eating so many things, even then he wanted to eat some more. So then he went into the garden to look for some parsley. Children, parsley, the meaning of parsley is given in your books. It is a type of leafy herb. Understood? round the end of a cucumber frame. Whom should he meet but Mr. McGregor? Now children, what is the meaning of cucumber frame? Cucumber frame means wooden structure used for growing cucumbers. Now cucumber frame is a wooden structure. It is a structure which is made of wood, and this structure is used for growing cucumbers. Now around the cucumber frame, whom did this rabbit meet? Whom did Peter meet there? Peter met Mr. McGregor. Mr. McGregor was on his hands and knees planting young cabbages. But he jumped up and ran after Peter, waving a rake and calling out, "Stop, thief!" Now, Mr. McGregor, who was planting young cabbages over there in the garden, when he saw Peter, he ran after him. Mr. McGregor jumped up and ran after Peter because he wanted to catch him. So he started running after Peter, waving a rake. Means he was holding a rake. This is a rake, children. As it is shown in the picture, this is a rake. A rake is a gardening tool. It is a gardening tool with metal or wooden teeth. You can see these are the teeth of this tool, and these teeth can be of metal or wood. And these teeth are attached to a long handle. As you can see in the picture, this is a long handle which is attached to these teeth. So this is called a rake. Now this Mr. McGregor was waving a rake and running after Peter to catch him. And then what was he calling out at that time? He was calling out, "Stop, thief!" because this rabbit has entered his garden to steal the plants. So that's why Mr. McGregor called him thief. Children, we will read this lesson up till here in this video. In the next video, we will continue with this lesson. Thank you.